Hola amigos! Today I'm going to give you a really easy lesson on making sentences with the Spanish gerund. What's that? It's words like listening, paying attention, talking, studying, so the ing words en inglés. Now, word of caution. The ing form en inglés is used more than the equivalent form en español, but we will talk about that un poco más in a moment, en un momento. Let's first find out how to form these words en español. So for AR verbs, you take off the AR and you add ando. For example, hablar, take off the AR, becomes hablando by adding that ando on the end. So escuchar, which means to listen, how would you make that listening? Escuchando. Study is estudiar. So take off the AR and make it studying. Estudiando. Last one, to pay attention. In español, we lend attention, so it's prestar atención. So, can you say paying attention? Prestando atención. Perfecto. Now we use these with estar to say that you're doing something. Cuidado. Be careful. This is doing something right now. So right now I am talking English, talking Spanish, teaching Spanish. Okay, so at this moment. And it's not what are you doing on Saturday? We can do that in inglés. In Español, the Spanish and the English grammar isn't exactly parallel on this one. Very often it is, but on this one it isn't. Okay? So we're going to use it with estar when we're talking about what we're doing right now. Ahora. Right now is ahora mismo. Okay? So estoy is the yo form. Estás is the to form. And estamos is the we form. So I am is estoy. You are estás. And we are estamos. Put them together and we can have, for example, we are talking Spanish. Estamos hablando español. The same kind of thing. We are studying Spanish. How would you say that? Estamos estudiando español. Are you paying attention? Now, how would I say that en español? Are you paying attention? Estás prestando atención. If I say, oh yes, I'm listening. So we need estoy for the I am and then the listening. Estoy escuchando. And we're talking Spanish. Remember, we need estamos. Estamos hablando en español. Now, when we have ER and IR verbs, it's not ando, it's yendo. Okay? So it's same thing, taking off the ER or the IR and adding this yendo ending. Okay? So if I want to say to do, that is hacer. So doing is haciendo. To go out is salir. So how would I say going out? Saliendo. Okay. To learn is aprender. So how would I say learning? Aprendiendo. What a lovely word. Aprendiendo, aprendiendo. Now, I want to give it a bit of context. If I want to say, what are you doing right now? Remember, right now is ahora mismo. And what are you doing? We're going to need que for what. And you remember hacer will become haciendo. And the word for you are will be estás. So how would I say, what are you doing right now? ¿Qué estás haciendo ahora mismo? What are you doing is very often translated as ¿qué haces? But with that really emphasizing right now, we're going to say ¿qué estás haciendo ahora mismo? We're not going to overuse this structure, but we need to know that when we want to emphasize right now, this is the structure we're going to use. Maybe I would ask ¿qué estás haciendo ahora mismo? And they say, we're leaving school just now. What we're going to use is salir, we're going out, of the college will be del colegio, okay? Because we're not just saying leaving school, we're going out of the school, okay? And just now is justo ahora. So, can you say we're leaving school just now? Estamos saliendo del colegio justo ahora. Before I go, I just want to add that these gerunds, these ando, yendo words, are also used with seguir, which means to continue, So we can say continuar, but seguir, it also means to follow. Es más común, seguir. And it's a changing verb, so it becomes, if I say you follow or you continue, it will be sigues. And if I want to make that a command, as you can tell from our last lesson, it'll just be sigue, okay? Sigue. And then I can use that with one of these gerunds to say, keep on doing it. For example, keep on listening. How would I say that? Sigue escuchando. Keep on talking Spanish. Your turn. Sigue hablando español. And keep studying. Sigue estudiando. So, if you want to learn more, si quieres aprender más. So you could possibly say, as a lovely final sentence for this little study session, you could say, keep studying if you want to learn more. Go. Sigue estudiando si quieres aprender más. Hope that's been useful for you. You can get the notes from the link in the description. Know how to use español well. Don't overuse this structure. And I'll see you la próxima vez por un poco más de español. Hasta entonces, amigos. Adiós.